Welcome to Managing and Leading in Business, Module 1, Lecture 1 with Dr. Foster. In Module 1, we'll explore the role of a leader within an organization and how leaders, managers, and followers fit into an organizational structure. Let's begin by defining what we mean by leadership. Leadership is the art and science of influencing others. It's about crafting a vision that excites and motivates people to engage and commit. Leadership transcends the boundaries of a traditional business environment. It can manifest in various contexts, such as driving social change, spearheading innovation, or even influencing personal choices like deciding on a venue for social gatherings. Effective leadership involves creating a supportive and trusting environment that inspires team members to align their efforts towards common goals. Leadership versus management. Understanding the difference between leadership and management is pivotal. Leadership is about setting a direction or a vision for a group that they will follow willingly. It involves inspiring, influencing, and motivating teams. On the other hand, management focuses on executing the vision through organizational and tactical processes. It includes planning, directing, and monitoring operations to achieve business objectives. Although they have different focuses, a symbiotic relationship exists between leadership and management. One cannot exist in a vacuum, and often, effective organizational performance requires a balance of both. While leadership often focuses on visionary and motivational skills, management is more about operational and process oriented skills. Effective leaders need a mix of both sets of skills to guide their organizations successfully. This includes strategic planning, decision making, and interpersonal communication, as well as the ability to implement processes and systems that maintain organizational efficiency. This brings us to an important question. Can a manager also be a leader? Absolutely. The roles are not inclusive, but are instead complementary. Many effective managers are also strong leaders. This dual capability enhances their ability to not only oversee the operational aspects of their roles, but also to inspire and guide their teams toward greater achievements. Understanding and developing both management and leadership capabilities are crucial for anyone aiming to excel in an organizational leadership role. Developing personal leadership and management styles. The first step in our leadership development journey involves defining your personal leadership and management styles. This is a reflective process where you'll assess your own behaviors, preferences, and effectiveness in various situations. By understanding your style, you can better align your approach with your organizational roles and responsibilities. This understanding is deepened by relating your real life experience to scholarly theories and literature, enabling a richer development of your leadership skills. Developing as a leader is an ongoing process that involves several key steps. After defining your leadership style, you continue to integrate your experiences with academic learning, using the professional language of leadership to articulate your vision and approach effectively. The final step involves continuous study and reflection on both past and present leaders, refining your leadership approach based on these insights. Looking at both historical and contemporary leaders, we can learn a great deal about the diversity of leadership styles and their effectiveness. Studying leaders like Nelson Mandela, Steve Jobs, or Indra Nooyi, we see a range of approaches from a transformative leadership to innovative and visionary leadership. These insights are invaluable as they help us to understand what might work in different scenarios and what might be effective in our own leadership situations. As we conclude today's session, let's remember that mastering both leadership and management is essential for true organizational effectiveness. Embracing both roles allows us to not only manage the present but also lead toward a brighter future. As you move forward, Think of how you can apply today's insights to enhance your leadership and management style. I encourage you all to engage deeply with the academic literature and the stories of renowned leaders that we discussed today and leaders that are of interest to you. Reflect on your own leadership and management styles in preparation for our next session. Your journey in leadership is continuous, and every step you take is an opportunity to grow and improve.